Hello mga ka-mentor! Welcome sa ating comprehensive guide to stock market investing for Filipinos. Whether beginner ka pa lang or may counting idea ka na, this video is for you. We're gonna break things down in a super easy and fun way. Walang jargon overload, no intimidating charts, just clear, straight to the point tips para tulungan kang yumaman sa tamang paraan. Kung sawa ka na sa low interest ng savings account mo, at gusto mong gawing business partner si Jollibee, stay tuned. Let's upgrade your financial game mga kabayan. So disclaimer lang tayo, this presentation is for educational and informational purposes only. Hopefully maging for entertainment din. It is not intended as financial, investment, or legal advice. Always do your own research mga kabayan and mga ka-mentor, and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We are not responsible for any losses you may invest at your own risk. Why invest in the stock market? Bakit ka nga ba dapat mag-invest sa stock market? Well, kung iniwan mo lang yung pera mo sa bangko earning 0.1% per year, congratulations. Lugi ka dahil 5 to 6% ang inflation. Pero kung nasa stocks yan over time, it may grow 8% to 12% yearly. Passive income? Check. Ownership in big companies? Check. Long-term wealth? Triple check. At ang best part, kahit 1,000 lang, pwede ka na mag-umpisa. That's less than isang Starbucks date. Invest in yourself first before you invest in milk tea. Now, let's talk about the different flavors ng investing. Buy and hold, ito yung chill, pangmatagalan, retirement level goals, ganun. Dividend investing para sa gusto ng consistent cash flow. Index investing naman para sa busy people na ayaw mag-analyze. Trading, okay, this is the Wild West, high risk, high reward. Ang tip, mag-start sa long-term investing muna bago sumabak sa trading. Don't try to be the next Wolf of Ayala Avenue if di ka pa marunong gumamit ng calculator. Okay, ready na? Ito ang steps para makapagsimula. First, choose a legit broker. Examples, Call Financial, First Metrosec, BDO Nomura, BPI Trade. Then, open an account using usually, online na ngayon, mabilis lang. Fund your account through online banking or GCash. Tapos, buy your first stock. Pwede mong i-type JFC for Jollibee or Ali for Ayala Land. It's literally like online shopping pero ang binibili mo, slice ng businesses. And best of all, di siya nagsisale pero tumataas ang value over time. Well, sometimes, bumababa din yung presyo and you might consider it as a sale like Warren Buffett style of investing. Ang sikreto sa pagpili ng stock, huwag ka lang sumabay sa uso. Look for companies na consistent ang kita, may good leadership, mababa yung utang, at may track record ng pagbibigay ng dividends. Imagine mo kung may jowa ka, gusto mo ba ng pabigla-bigla or yung consistent? Ganon din sa stocks. Kailangan mapagkakatiwalaan at hindi marupok sa market crash. Oy, bonus kung mura pa siya. Look at valuation metrics like PE ratio. Mas okay kung undervalued. Parang legit ukay-ukay find, di ba? Let's say you have 10,000 pesos. Saan mo ilalagay? Ito, sample lang to This is not a recommendation. Sample starter pack. JFC or Jollibee, consumer yan. Ali, property yan. Ayala Land Inc. Meralco, BDO banking. Diversified siya like a balanced meal. Hindi ka lang puro carbs. Ganyan ang goal. Para kahit may isang mag-underperform, hindi buong portfolio mo ang affected. Think of it as your squad. Dapat may tigagawa ng kuryente, ng bahay, ng pagkain, at ng pera. Diba? So, paano ka kikita? Una, capital gains. Kung bumili ka ng stock sa 100 pesos, tapos naging 150, may 50 pesos ka. Second, dividends. Company shares a part of their kita sa'yo. Passive income yan. Third, compounding. Kapag nire-invest mo yung kita mo, lalaki siya ng lalaki, parang snowball. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Kaya wag mong galawin every week ang investments mo. Hindi siya pansit canton na dapat laging binabantayan. Pero teka lang, may risks din. The market goes up and down. Minsan, parang mood swings, pero kung long term ka, magiging okay din yan. Don't invest your pang-grocery money. Only invest what you can live untouched for 5 to 10 years. Diversify para hindi ka mabaon kung isa sa stocks mo magka-problema. And lastly, bawal ang emotional. Bawal mag-panic sell. Hindi ito love life mo na kailangang i-chat back agad. Ang daming tools today to help you invest smart. Use Instagrams to track charts. Yes, parang Tinder pero para sa stocks. PSE Edge for real-time disclosures. GCash or G-Invest kung gusto mo ng super basic and automated. Use calculators para malaman kung magkano kikitain mo over 10 to 20 years. Tools are your best friend kasi investing without tools is like cooking adobo without toyo. Okay, good luck na lang. Strategy time. Peso cost averaging. Parang maghulog ka ng 2,000 pesos every month regardless kung mataas or mababa ang market. Over time, you buy more when prices are low and less when it's high, averaging out your cost. Consistency beats timing. Kung mahilig ka sa gym, same principle. Di mo makikita agad ang abs mo pero after 6 months, hello, summer body and fat wallet. Let's go. Investing is a skill, mga mentor. Kaya learn from the best. Basahin mo yung libro ni Benjamin Graham, The Intelligent Investor. Medyo old school pero grabe golden. Follow Marvin Jermo and legit Filipino YouTubers na nagbibigay ng clear, honest content. Avoid TikTok na nagsasabing buy now, sure profit. Yung mga sinasabing to the moon. Kung totoo yan, bakit sila nagbebenta ng course? Stay skeptical, stay sharp. Let's talk taxes and fees. Oo, kahit sa kita mo may habol si government. You'll pay 0.6% capital gains tax, broker's fees around 0.25% plus VAT at maliit na PSE, SCCP charges. Dividends also subject to tax of 10%. But hey, these are small trade-offs for long-term growth. Mas mababa pa yan sa babayaran mong service charge sa fancy coffee shop every weekend. Ito pro tips. Simulan mo kahit maliit. Don't wait na malaki muna ipon mo. Track mo ang performance mo. Such as gamit ka na Excel, Notion, or kahit papel. Kahit anong bagay na di mo mawawala. Don't just follow hype. Research ka dapat. And most importantly, invest in what you understand. Kung hindi mo gets paano kumikita ang kumpanya, huwag mong pilitin. Stocks are not chamba-chamba. Mindset, mga best. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a slow, sure, and solid path to financial freedom. Parang nag-gym. Walang shortcut. You have to commit. You have to believe. And I have to be okay with waiting. Yung tipong, okay lang na hindi ako yaman agad. Basta sigurado ako sa ginagawa ko. Be the tortoise, not the TikTok hair. Final words, start now. Don't overthink. Don't wait for the perfect time. Kasi spoiler alert, hindi siya dadating. Ang market laging may fear and greed. Pero kung long-term ka, you win. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So open that brokerage account and take that first step. Your future self will thank you. And maybe, just maybe, you'll be rich tito or tita who brings lechon sa reunion. Alright, if you would like to be connected, gusto mo pa ng mga more tips, tools, and investing strategies para sa mga Filipino, sumali sa free email newsletter namin. You will get exclusive contents, step-by-step guides, at updates tuwing may bagong opportunity. Sign up now, just visit philmentors.com.